the freedom to be me, outside constructs, outside of what I am even reading. At some point, I couldn't breathe with all the concepts. It's natural to flow between these concepts and express what is alive in the moment, what serves the moment, what serves each other. When everyone is in creator mode, offering their gifts, everything becomes natural. As creating requires both energies, masculine and feminine, to be integrated. The more you create, the more these energies are easily and gracefully intertwining. Making love, creating art for the delight of all. Freedom in love, and love in freedom. The freedom to be me. The freedom to be me. To remember myself as love. And to start experiencing this freedom. To start playing consciously with this idea of freedom. I invite you to do something very crazy. Something crazy. Which is to wake up every morning, to take a deep breath, to put one hand on your belly and the other one on your heart, and to ask yourself, what would I want to do today that makes me happy? One thing, at least one thing. Do it. You can do it. Consciously choosing to do one thing that makes you happy. And after some time, in my case, I was so afraid of what I'm going to hear inside of me. And that it would take me a lot of time, and I don't have time, and it would be too complicated, and I don't know what other excuses and so on. And I realized that I only want to dance and to sing. Simple. One song and that's it. This is what is cool about freedom. So be free to be love. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.